8 proven oregano oil benefits and how to use it effectively. Oregano oil is widely recognized for its powerful antioxidant, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Derived from the oregano plant, this potent natural remedy is also being explored for its potential role in weight management, immune system support, and infection treatment. It's important to distinguish between oregano essential oil and oregano oil extract. While both come from the Origanum vulgar plant, they are produced differently and used for various purposes. Many scientific studies and anecdotal reports suggest a wide range of health-promoting effects from these oils. This video will explore the scientifically backed benefits of oregano oil and guide you on how to use it safely and effectively. What is oregano oil? Oregano, scientifically named Origanum vulgar, is a flowering herb in the mint family. It's commonly used in cooking, but its concentrated oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Oregano essential oil is made by air-drying the plant's leaves and shoots, then extracting and concentrating the oil using steam distillation. While oregano oil can be used topically when diluted with a carrier oil, it should not be ingested in its pure essential form due to its potency. The oil contains several key compounds that give it medicinal properties. Carvacrol, the most abundant phenol in oregano oil. Research shows it may help stop the growth of various bacteria. Thymol, a natural antifungal that also boosts the immune system and defends against toxins. Rosmarinic acid, a powerful antioxidant known for its ability to combat free radical damage. Together, these compounds may contribute to oregano oil's wide range of health benefits. 8 science-backed benefits and uses of oregano oil. Fights harmful bacteria. Carvacrol has demonstrated strong antibacterial effects against several strains, including those responsible for food poisoning and infections. Supports immune health. The immune-modulating effects of thymol and carvacrol may help the body defend itself from viruses and harmful microbes. Combats fungal infections. Oregano oil has been studied for its antifungal activity, particularly against Candida species. Rich in antioxidants. Its high antioxidant content helps protect cells from oxidative stress, supporting overall health and reducing inflammation. May aid in weight management. Preliminary research suggests carvacrol may influence fat synthesis and storage, potentially supporting weight control. Improves gut health. Oregano oil may help reduce gut pathogens, support healthy digestion, and even improve symptoms of bloating or discomfort. Supports skin health. When diluted with a carrier oil, oregano oil may help treat minor skin irritations, fungal infections, and acne. Natural insect repellent. Due to its strong scent and antimicrobial properties, oregano oil is sometimes used as a natural alternative to chemical repellents. How to use oregano oil safely. Topical use. Always dilute oregano essential oil with a carrier oil, like olive or coconut oil, before applying it to the skin to avoid irritation. Oral use. Only take oregano oil supplements or oil extracts that are specifically formulated for internal use and follow dosage guidelines carefully. Aromatherapy. Add a few drops to a diffuser to enjoy its immune-supporting and antimicrobial benefits through inhalation. Before using oregano oil regularly, consult a healthcare provider, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications. 1. Natural antibiotic properties. Oregano oil, particularly due to its active compound carvacrol, has been studied for its antibacterial effects. While much of the public interest in essential oils stems from anecdotal use, early scientific research suggests that oregano essential oil may offer protection against harmful bacteria, including Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Escherichia coli, E. coli, both of which are known to cause urinary and respiratory tract infections. Although more robust human trials are needed, the similar chemical profiles of oregano essential oil and oregano oil extract indicate that both may offer comparable antibacterial support when used correctly. 2. May support healthy cholesterol levels. The polyphenolic compounds in oregano oil, carvacrol, and thymol are known for their heart-supportive effects. Limited animal studies suggest that these compounds may help lower total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol, while maintaining or improving HDL, good cholesterol. While these findings are promising, human studies are still limited. However, incorporating oregano oil supplements under medical supervision may be a helpful part of a broader strategy for cardiovascular health. 3. Potent antioxidant activity. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, contribute to aging, and increase the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer and heart disease. Oregano oil is extremely rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize these harmful compounds. Due to its concentration, even small amounts of oregano oil extract can deliver significant antioxidant support, far surpassing the potency of dried or fresh oregano leaves. This makes it a highly efficient option for those seeking to enhance their diet with antioxidant-rich natural supplements. 4. May help treat yeast infections. Certain strains of yeast, particularly Candida, are part of the body's normal flora but can become pathogenic when overgrown. This can lead to infections affecting the mouth, oral thrush, genitals, bloodstream, and even internal organs. Emerging studies suggest that oregano essential oil exhibits strong antifungal activity, potentially helping to inhibit the growth of Candida and prevent the spread of infection. While topical use may be helpful for skin or external infections, internal use should only be done under medical supervision and with properly formulated products. 5. May improve gut health and relieve pain. Oregano essential oil contains a powerful combination of antibacterial, antifungal, antiparasitic, and anti-inflammatory properties, all of which contribute to a healthier digestive system. It may help rebalance gut flora by targeting harmful pathogens without disrupting beneficial bacteria when used appropriately. In addition, preliminary studies suggest oregano oil may play a role in pain management, possibly by interacting with inflammation pathways and reducing pain signals. Though more human data is needed, its traditional use in natural medicine continues to support these applications. 6. Exhibits anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is associated with many serious health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Oregano oil contains several bioactive compounds that have demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties in lab-based studies. A 2017 scientific review identified that key components in oregano oil can help reduce inflammation. However, it also noted potential cytotoxic effects in certain cells, highlighting the importance of controlled dosing and the need for more comprehensive human trials before widespread therapeutic use. 7. May possess cancer-fighting potential. Among the most exciting areas of ongoing research is the possibility that oregano oil may have anti-cancer properties, particularly due to its high carvacrol content. In laboratory, in vitro studies, carvacrol has shown potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and trigger programmed cell death in types such as lung, liver, and breast cancer. While these results are promising, it's important to note that no clinical trials on humans have yet confirmed these effects, and oregano oil should not be used as a substitute for standard cancer treatments. 8. May support weight loss efforts. There is growing interest in the role of carvacrol in regulating weight and metabolism. Some animal studies have found that oregano oil may help reduce body weight and fat accumulation by influencing genes and proteins involved in fat synthesis and storage. While more evidence in human subjects is needed, oregano oil may serve as a complementary tool in weight management when used as part of a balanced diet and active lifestyle. Always consult a healthcare provider before beginning any supplement regimen for weight loss. How to use oregano oil safely and effectively. Oregano oil extract is widely available in capsule and tablet form and can be purchased at health food stores or through trusted online retailers. These supplements are designed for internal use and typically offer a controlled dosage of oregano oil. However, because the strength and concentration can vary between brands, it's essential to read the product label carefully. Always follow the manufacturer's dosing instructions and start with the lowest recommended amount to assess your tolerance. For topical application, oregano essential oil can be diluted with a carrier oil, such as olive, coconut, or jojoba oil, and applied to the skin. This method is often used for skin infections, fungal overgrowth, or localized inflammation. Avoid applying undiluted essential oil directly to the skin, as it may cause irritation or allergic reactions. Importantly, oregano essential oil should never be ingested, as it is highly concentrated and can be toxic if taken orally. If you're currently taking prescription medications or managing a chronic condition, consult your healthcare provider before introducing oregano oil extract into your routine. It may interact with certain medications or affect absorption. The bottom line: both oregano oil extract and oregano essential oil are affordable, accessible, and offer a wide range of potential health benefits. Oregano oil is particularly rich in antioxidants, surpassing many fruits and vegetables. It contains potent compounds such as carvacrol, thymol, and rosmarinic acid. These active components have shown potential in supporting the immune system, fighting bacterial and fungal infections, reducing inflammation, alleviating pain, and more. While more human studies are needed, current research and traditional use suggest that oregano oil may serve as an effective natural remedy for a variety of common health issues when used appropriately and safely. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and share it with others interested in natural health solutions. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-based health content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have you tried oregano oil before? Let us know your experience in the comments below.